Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Aquarius, this is your reading for 29th of March and time frame in and around that. This is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Aquarius, on 29th of March, six planets are becoming conjunct in the sign of Pisces. Which are those planets? Saturn, Sun, Moon, Venus, Mercury, and Rahu, that is the North Node. Okay. It's not considered as a good conjunction. It's not considered, in fact, it is considered as an inauspicious conjunction. Also, on the very same day, we also have solar eclipse. Also, on the very same day, we also have new moon. Okay. So all these events happening on the same day, uh, not considered good as per astrology. This reading is a general reading. In this reading, we'll see what you need to know for this time frame. And I have specifically mentioned 29th of March and some days even after that because this energy is getting spilled over. It's not going to be uh, only for 29th of March. Okay. So we'll see what you need to know. Is there anything that you need to be cautious about? Okay, we'll also try and see that. This is not going to be a love dominated reading, but this is going to be more of an informative reading. Well, I'm going to provide you one information. This is again, I am providing for all the zodiac signs. Note that irrespective of the zodiac sign, you have to know and understand that this is a time frame, this is a time period where the karmics will be punished. Okay, people who have done wrong to others, they will be punished for their wrong actions. It is also very likely that something might come to the surface, some realities might surface. uh, the real intentions might come to the surface. You might even, it is also possible some of them might even get evidences about the real the evidences about reality. Okay. If someone is not holding good intentions about you but they were masking those intentions while dealing with you, you will find out what a person is actually thinking about you. Okay. If they were, like, jealous of you, if they were doing something behind your back, you'll get to know that. So let's see what you need to know. Okay. We have King of Wands over here, Aquarius. It's like King of Wands is telling me that I do feel, Aquarius, that there is someone who is waiting for someone from the past, maybe. Very likely someone from the past. This can be an old ex, a very old ex as well. Okay, someone who like, you wanted this person to come towards you at that point of time, but this person never came towards you, and you guys experienced a very very intense connection. Okay. But now I don't think so you hold any kind of feelings for this person. Okay. You probably moved on, you had a couple of relationships even after that. For some of you, this need not be necessarily a very old ex. This can also be a recent past ex. But it's like, I'm getting an energy of someone strategizing their comeback, and that strategy might not involve transparency and honesty. It's about someone is still thinking of you as a very naive person. Someone is thinking of you as someone who might get trapped into their manipulative tactics. Okay. And whoever, if this is a recent past person with whom there is a no contact, with whom there is a separation, then this person is definitely advised by a wrong set of people. Okay. And they are acting based on the advice they are getting from the wrong people, from whom this person should have never and ever solicited any kind of advice. Okay. In fact, I feel like if at all there is any kind of separation is going on between you and someone, then this separation has happened because of interference, too much of interference from outsiders. Okay. And the same people are advising this person, because this person wants a comeback, and this person wants to come back, but this person doesn't know how to come back. Okay. The only power that they might utilize is like, they can utilize is their manipulative tactics or sexual powers. They will try to seduce you. Passion and sex is something that is going to be their weapon to attract you back. Okay. I think so. When it comes to you, Aquarius, you are pretty much done. Okay. You're looking in a different direction. You're focused towards, you're also passionate in your life, but your passion is no more for this person. Your passion is towards developing yourself. Your passion is towards uplifting your own life. Your passion is towards experiencing personal growth. Okay. Uh, there are many people who have underestimated you so far, and there are many people who are still underestimating you. They still think of you as this naive person who is not smart, who doesn't understand how to handle situations. In fact, you are the smartest person among us. If you have to compare between you and your ex, all of the exes, you were always and always the smartest. You might have given them this impression that you're a bit naive, but you were understanding everything that was happening in a connection, but you were just waiting for the right kind of opportunities to exit from the connections. You might not have exited the connections right away despite seeing the red flags, but you were waiting for the right timings and the right opportunities to exit. Okay. And people used to think like, I was like, there were so many red flags from the beginning itself. If Aquarius was smart enough, would have gotten out of this connection from the beginning itself. No, every situation and every circumstance has a right time, and you always act based on the right time. Okay. And you know that how to act accordingly. So even now, I do feel like it's quite possible that people from the past might try to come back. They might try to use sex as a weapon to attract you back in their life. Okay. But the ultimate intention, I do feel, is to control you and your life. These people who are trying to come back, they have no intention to love you. Maybe they want to enjoy some sex with you. But beyond that, their only sole intention, in fact, the intention of these people who are advising your person, their intention is to indirectly control you and your life. These people are very curious about you, Aquarius. Like, what are you doing in your life? How do you make your money? What are your sources of income? So, these people are actually utilizing your person, your ex with whom there is a separation, to know and understand how do you take care of your life, what all you do in your life. So your person you is used as a catalyst, your person is actually used as a medium to exploit your life, and this stupid person doesn't understand that. Eight of cups, yeah, you're advised to walk away. You're absolutely advised to walk away from such situations which are not worth your time and energy. You know what's going on in the background. You know that this person is being influenced by other people. You might have even told your ex partner, like, you know what, you are soliciting advice from wrong people. There are wrong people that are giving you the advice. You should stay away from such people. Now these people can be this person's your person's friends, or anyone, family members maybe in some situations. But your person doesn't have that ability to think and take decisions independently. You're advised to walk away. Okay. Do not entertain these people at all. Four of swords. In some situations, these people from the past, now I'm hearing for some of you, your friends from the past with whom there is a no contact situation, they're also trying to come back. They are coming back, whether it is ex or even if it is family members with whom from whom you have distanced yourself. If anybody from the past is trying to come back, it is also very likely that they are coming back because they are experiencing some stressful situations in their life, and they are coming back for some favors from you because you were always this giver, a big hearted person, right? So they are coming back for some favors because they are going through some stressful situations, and they don't have anyone in their life to help them out, to bail them out of this stressful situation. See, this is exactly what I'm telling you. Aquarius, please stay away from such people. I am getting that some of them are actually stuck in some legal matters behind the bars. Some of them are going to be behind the bars, or they're already behind the bars, and they're coming back to seek help from you. You don't want to get stuck into their karmic loop. They are going to suffer because, or they are already suffering because that is something that they are meant to suffer. If you try and end up helping them, you might attract some karmic, you might attract their karmic bad karma towards you. Yeah, your defenses should be up. You're advised to keep your defenses up. You walk away. Okay, you do have better options. Yeah, there is someone better that is waiting for you. Okay, do not entertain anyone from the past. Advise for you to walk away. I'm also hearing that do not let anyone about your whereabouts. People are trying to search you, people are trying to find you. I'm hearing this again and again. Do not let anyone know about your whereabouts. Oh my god, see, 3 of swords, 10 of swords, and queen of pentacles. These people want to harm your monetary situation as well. These people want to harm your finances as well. Okay, so anyone in the past, if they have an intention to come back, they don't want to do anything good to you. They will end up hurting you all over again. Okay, you, it is your job to secure your future, to secure your monetary situation, to secure your peace of mind. It is your job to be defensive and to walk away and move towards better future. No one else is going to be responsible for that. So take some wise decisions, Aquarius. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time. And bye bye. This is your spread, Aquarius. Take care and bye.